I'll be showing you the top chargeback apps for your Shopify store. As chargebacks are extremely frustrating to deal with, as not only do you often have to pay the chargeback fee, you end up losing out on the product, it hurts your reputation, and you still have to refund the money. Unfortunately, it is something that every merchant has to deal with. However, these apps should help reduce them. So the first app we're going to look at is called Chargeflow Prevent Chargebacks. And it's the world's first friendly fraud prevention solution powered by a network of 15,000 other merchants. And it's going to help recover 4 times more chargebacks on autopilot. And you're only going to pay for recovered chargebacks when using this platform. It's going to help deflect 90% of chargebacks powered by Visa and MasterCard, and you're also going to get AI-powered insights and analytics. So it's going to help prevent and stop chargebacks and abuse before it happens. So it's a fully automated chargeback prevention, recovery, and deflection solution, and it helps to scale without wasting time on disputes while providing analytics and active fraud prevention. Currently, for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, you get $10,000 in free chargeback automation. In terms of pricing, it's free to install, and for automation, it's going to be 25% of recovered chargebacks, and you get to prevent 1,000 free chargebacks and then 20 cents per order. And for alerts, it's pay per prevented chargeback. So it's a fully automated chargeback recovery system and only pays on successful recoveries. In terms of reviews, it has an excellent 4.8 star rating with just shy of 300 5-star reviews, and merchants highly recommend this app for its efficient automation of dispute processes and chargeback management, which saves significant time and effort. Next up, we have Disputifier Smart Chargebacks that allows for automated chargeback fighting and dispute prevention. So you never have to worry about chargebacks again, and this app is going to help answer all chargebacks for you using a highly customized response, proven to increase win rate. Plus, they help prevent chargebacks from ever occurring in the first place. So with chargeback alerts, fraud prevention, and order not received prevention, you can significantly reduce nearly all chargebacks without even lifting a finger. Again, it's going to fight them on autopilot, reducing your dispute rate on all payment providers. You can block your disputes with chargeback alerts. Also, it's going to help maximize your win rate. In terms of pricing, it's free to install. It looks like you get a custom quote based on the volume. You're not going to pay for any duplicates, and you're never going to pay for alerts with issues. If we take a look at their latest 5-star review, this merchant highly recommends this. It helps us save a relationship with payment processors, and the owner of the app, Mark, was extremely helpful. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. You have all your different costs from your cost of goods sold, all your ad spend, transaction fees, chargebacks, and much more. And that's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in. It's a one-click profit calculator that makes it super easy to get the exact profit that your store has made. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking to analyze, and it's going to give you all your profitability metrics as well as a ton of different analytics so you can start making smarter business decisions. And it syncs seamlessly with your Shopify store so you can get set up in just seconds. I'll leave a link in the description below. There's a 15-day free trial where you can test drive everything for yourself, and their customer support is great. Just click the chat bubble in the bottom right here. So again, I'll leave a link in the description below. Make sure you check that out. Next up, we have Chargeback Auto Prevention. So you can start preventing chargebacks on autopilot, and they work with almost all payment providers. And it helps protect your Shopify store from shutdown, money holds, and fees. You can reduce dispute rates instantly, and it's going to give you an extensive overview of all alerts. In terms of pricing, it's free to install, and a $15 to $29 fee applies per chargeback alert. In terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 4.5 stars with 10 5-star reviews. In terms of the latest review here, this merchant loves how professional the team at Chargeback is. Their service is exceptional, responsive, efficient, and clearly experienced in what they do. Since partnering, they've seen a significant drop in chargebacks and a clear improvement in dispute handling. Lastly, we have ChargePay Dispute Chargebacks, helping you to win chargebacks with ChargePay AI Agent. So you can win them on autopilot. It's going to auto-generate evidence. It's going to have smart alerts to block chargebacks early, reduce fraud, and boost revenue. So you can fight and win chargebacks with AI. And their AI is going to submit high quality evidence and track win statuses. And it works with any payment processor. You can fight off fraud, protect your bottom line, and overall reduce fraud chargebacks to protect your revenue. In terms of pricing, it starts at $19.99 a month and goes up in price depending on your Shopify store plan. And you get unlimited chargebacks on each plan level. In terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 4.8 stars with 7 5-star reviews. If we take a look at one of the latest 5-star reviews here. From a technology standpoint, it's reliable, intuitive, and integrates seamlessly into their workflow. The team is responsive, collaborative, and proactive as well. So this concludes the video here on the top chargeback apps for your Shopify store. If this video helped at all, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.